Do you want to wake up every morning full of energy and enthusiasm about your day? Do you want to enjoy your life fully? Do you want to have time to focus on what's really important? If your answer is yes, you're at the right place. My name is Vlad. In a moment, I'll share with you 3 massive mistakes professionals make that keep them frustrated from not living an awesome life they deserve, and how you can avoid them. Before we begin, I want to share a little bit about myself so we are not complete strangers and why you should listen. I grew up in Belarus, last country of Europe with dictatorship. I moved to United States 11 years ago with the goal to study business. Several years later, I found myself looking at the mirror, hating what I saw. I was overweight. I didn't like the way I felt about myself and my body. I was pretty angry. I was pretty grouchy. I was emotionally unstable dude who was smoking too much pot. I got to the point where I didn't leave my place without getting high. At the age of 25, I spent most of my time in front of the computer screen, studying and working on my online business. I thought it was normal to have pain in my low back, my wrists, my neck. As I got older, I didn't care of my diet as well, which led to digestion problems. I couldn't wake up earlier than 11 a.m. I was tired of being constantly tired, so I knew that something needs to change. I realized that for things to change, I have to change. There is no other way around. 7 years ago, I changed my diet completely. I started practicing yoga. I lost 35 pounds. My energy level increased drastically, as well as my mental acuity. I became super flexible and much stronger, both physically and mentally. I fixed my anger issues, but most importantly, I found connection to myself. I realized what I want to do with my life. I realized that studying business wasn't my dream, it was the dream of my parents. So I quit the university. Instead, I brought my friends from Belarus. We made a band together. We got signed with record label. We made a song with Sir Mix-a-Lot. And we got quite popular in San Francisco and Belarus. In 2015, I was named top 10 entrepreneur under the age of 30 in Belarus. 2 years in a row, I was invited there to share the story of my American dream in front of 600-700 people. I realized that I can achieve anything in my life if I take care of myself. And this is the message to you. You are capable in achieving anything you want in your life if you take care of your health. So let's go to 3 massive mistakes professionals, young adults, old people, most of the people do or make that keep them frustrated from not living awesome life they deserve. So here where mistake number 1 comes to place. We are not investing in ourselves. Our body is the only real estate we own, truly own. We live in this machine, and it doesn't matter how much money we make, it doesn't matter how successful we are. If we don't take care of our system, our machine, we are screwed at the end of the day. Just look around, maybe look at yourself in the mirror, maybe look at your relatives, look at the people around, and you may see what I'm talking about. You gotta take care of yourself first, your body. Often we spend more time taking care of our car than taking care of our own system. So the next part, our mind. Our mind is our computer, and we can program it either to success or destruction. If you don't take care of your mental health, guess what's happening? Your mind is spinning all the time. We have up to 70,000 thoughts in our mind every single day, and most of the thoughts are negative. They bring us down, and you know what's happening. You know what's happening. The mind plays scary movie all the time, and we always scared about something. We're scared to leave our comfort zone. Our mind keeps us small. So I challenge you to start taking care of your mental health. And when you clean your body, when your mind is slow, when you clean your system, when you take care of your body and then you take care of your mind, you can hear what your heart wants to say. And the heart, this is where magic happens. When you can connect to your heart, you will know your purpose, you will know your true life journey. The question is how we can connect, where to start. Good question. And here where mistake number 2 comes to play. Vision. Life vision. Do you have your life vision? Do you see yourself 1 year from today, 5 years from today, 10 years from today? Often we think about car we want to drive, house we want to live, girlfriend, boyfriend, all this stuff. But this is your bucket list. I'm talking about your life vision. How you want to feel 1 year from today, how you want to look, how much energy you want to have, how much time you want to have to take care of yourself, how much time you want to spend on your business or your career. We always trapped in the mindset that we don't have time to anything but work. But at the end of the day, we came to this planet to enjoy life fully instead of working for someone else. And if you have no vision, if you don't have your dream, you are working on someone else's dream. So I encourage you to start crafting your life vision. I encourage you to do it now. Here where mistake number 1 comes to place, putting it on Monday. I call it hope, pray syndrome. Usually we hear the message and it's like, yeah, I'm gonna do it later. And later never comes. Because there is no future. There is only now. Tomorrow will never come. It's always now. It's always present moment. So instead of thinking that, okay, I have my vision, I'll be happy and successful later, I'll slow down later, do something right now. I encourage you to take a small step today that will bring you closer to your vision tomorrow. So, now when you know 3 massive mistakes, here what you gotta do. First of all, focus on yourself. Craft your vision. Start taking care of your system. Start taking care of your mental health, your emotional health, your physical health. And then you open your spirit. Because when you inspired, when your spirit is loud and strong, then it overlaps the little mind, little guy inside of your head. And then you are in power and you are on your purpose. I want to share with you what I learned for the last 7 years. And I want to create something that not just give you more information, because you already know everything. You already know what you gotta do. I want to break everything on small digestible chunks so you can change your lifestyle. And then you will be able to find your purpose. You are unique. You are enough and you are complete. I believe that you have unique combination of gifts and talents. Your job to discover them and develop them and share them with others. This is what's your purpose. Find who you truly are, craft it, develop it, nail it, share it with others. And this is what will make you happy, healthy, abundant, person with love and positive energy. So if my message resonates with you and you want to know more what I'm up to these days, send me a message and let's talk.